We are the only animal on the planet where we need money even to give a birth to baby. So it is
Yes.
very necessary to earn money, and that's what I'm doing. Not just helping people to make videos, but also helping people to monetize their knowledge, their skills, and their time.
Hello, everyone. This is Rahul, and we have an amazing guest today with us, Mr. Purushottam. Awesome, man. Awesome. And let me introduce this guy. I met this guy yesterday itself, and he's an amazing guy. And I joined his video making mastery course yesterday. And what an amazing performance you delivered, man. I just loved it. The way you taught the 3 hours workshop, it was brilliant. Right. This is my personal feedback, and I loved it. Right. So
Thank you. Thank you.
let me, yeah, absolutely. Let me tell you guys, Purushottam is somebody who has earned 80 lakh rupees in just 10 months, and this is only from one source of income. He has crossed 1 crore mark with a, if we accumulate all his earnings, he has already crossed 1 crore marks. It's kind of a dream for many people, right? It's also a dream for me, brother. You are an inspiration
Yeah.
for me. So that's fantastic. So welcome, my brother, Mr. Purushottam, to this show. And I want you to introduce to the audience about your journey and something about how you started your entrepreneurship journey and what was your reason, the why, how you, I mean, which is driving you in this journey.
Yes, yes. So Rahul Raina, first of all, thank you so much for inviting me into your show. And you were in a workshop, and then you made a video as well as I requested, and I got to know that yes, man, this guy have an energy. And then we got connected, and right now we are here. So to
Absolutely.
introduce myself to your audience, hi guys, my name is Purushottam Hambarde. I am a village kid. Right now, I'm a 24-year-old helping thousands of people to speak effectively in front of camera. And how I introduced myself, like I have a family of thousands of people. So let me give you that statement which I'm working on. That is my bigger why I wake up every day is because of this. Video making mastery is a family of thousands of people. Indian family, let me repeat once again. Video making mastery is an Indian family of thousands of people who are guiding world with the knowledge they have by making amazing videos. And I am the person who have created this, and now this is my vision. How can I help thousands and now lakhs of people from India to get in front of camera and share their knowledge, whatever the knowledge they have, and how they can monetize that knowledge, because that is most important thing. Even in my lot of workshop, I always remind that people look at earning money as a negative way most of the time. And Rahul have introduced me with the money achievement as well. But more than money achievement, obviously, I am also more focused on helping and all the mission. That kind of, I also have a goal. A lot of people, they just think like mission. I'm just want to help. I just want to help. How you will help yourself if you don't earn money, right?
Absolutely, absolutely true.
We are the only animal on the planet where we need money even to give a birth to baby. So it is
Yes.
very necessary to earn money, and that's what I'm doing. Not just helping people to make videos, but also helping people to monetize their knowledge, their skills, and their time. So this is my introduction, and I'm proud of whatever I'm doing. Thank you so much for inviting me
Awesome.
here.
Awesome, awesome, awesome introduction, brother. It's kind of a story you have, which we hear in movies. A person who has come from a village and he has really made it, and it's amazing, amazing story.
Thank you.
Brilliant, brother. So I just want to know what is driving you to help so many people. You know, what is pushing you? If you can let us know.
I can tell you one day what happened, that I have been making videos. So always I thought, because I had financial problems, multiple problems were there. So obviously our basic necessary is that we want to earn money. So I was focused on that. But one day what happened, one person came to me, and he was in a debt for more than 5 years, and he had a debt of more than 20 to 25 lakhs. And that day in the evening, he was going to suicide.
Oh,
And he said, I watch your videos, I resonate with your energy, I came to your workshops and online webinars, and I attended and I also joined your courses and started watching me continuously. And literally he said, from now I will never ever think about suicide or anything, because if this village kid can do it, I can do it too. If this Purushottam can do it, I can do it too. If Purushottam can help other people in spite of having a lot of problems in his life, I can do it too. And that's how he started his new life. And that review I got to know, even we have that review on Trustpilot, maybe we can show the screenshot as well to the people later on.
Sure.
That then I realized, man, this video making skill is not just about speaking in front of camera, but it also gonna help to save lives. Not also to help changing others' life, but you can save your lives by helping people, by sharing your knowledge, by sharing your thoughts and experiences which you got from going through the problems. Because people also have some problems. By watching your videos, someone will click some ideas, get some thoughts, will inspire them, and they start working again in their life, and it can save life and can change life. And that inspired me a lot more than the money right now. So that's why this is my bigger why, that I can save a lot of lives, I can change a lot of lives, and that's how we can help millions of people.
Absolutely. Brilliant, brother. Brilliant.
Yeah.
You saved a person's life. It really matters.
Yeah. By the way,
nobody gets an opportunity.
Okay, this kind of serious reviews, I got more than 5 people. This kind of serious issues where I was able to save their lives. Even otherwise, we have changed a lot of lives, but I was able to save these kind of lives as well. That matters to me a lot.
Yes, yes. That's the benefit you have when you are an entrepreneur, right? We never get such benefits in other fields. That's brilliant.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
The meaning of entrepreneur is all about solving problems, whatever the problems around we have. So that's what we are doing right now.
Absolutely. And you are solving people's problems in helping them to gain their confidence over the videos. That's amazing. That's amazing.
Yeah, there are two things. But number one thing is, I'm solving people's problem. The problem is people are not that natural and comfortable speaking in front of camera. That's the first problem I'm solving. The second problem is, through my videos, people are getting their life changed and all the problems are getting solved. So I'm doing these two things. Through my videos, lives are changing, and also I'm helping people to change others' life as well by speaking effectively in front of camera. Yes. Yes.
Right. That's great. So let me tell again to the audience, you have earned around 80 lakh rupees in around 10 months, and you are just 24 years old. I mean, how are you doing this, man? Can you share your secret, please? If you, I mean, if you really want to, you can please share it with the audience. And what is the secret, man? You're just 24 and you have nailed it. Can you please share this secret?
Secret boils down to your mission. Even it looks cliche, but once my focus changed, once my focus changed, results started coming in. My focus from money to serving is the secret. If you really want to earn money, you have to change the focus from earning money to serving people. And that's what I did. And even if you go and check my bio or somewhere on my Instagram, I have said that I am a servant of all the people who wants to make videos. So you have to get that mindset first to serve people. That's the first thing. Second is, you need to have a skill which people need. And if you learn more about it, you can share more knowledge about that skill where people want. And if you share that skill and knowledge through videos, people would love to pay and invest in you to get those videos from you, to learn from you. And that's how you can monetize, and that's how you can go. But unless and until you don't have that serving mindset, serving mindset or helping mindset, you will not able to achieve this. So early age, I don't even say I did it early, because just around 2 years back, I started speaking English. So I can say myself, I learned everything late, but still what I can tell you is, even if you're right now at zero, you have nothing to lose. Just take action right now. Change the mindset from earning, being desperate to earn money, to just focus, how can I serve with whatever I have right now? How can I learn more to serve more? That's it. And slowly you will able to start getting results. Don't worry a lot about the money, because I am 100% sure from my heart, you don't have a problem to have a food right now. You don't have a problem to leave right now. I'm sure about it. Whoever watching right now, I don't think you have a problem where you will not able to have a food today, today night or today morning. Then why are you, what fear you have? Just focus on how you can serve people with whatever you have, and keep learning more, and you will start seeing results coming up in your life.
Absolutely, brother. Amazing. So, absolutely, you told business is all about serving. That's the true sense of business, or true sense of entrepreneurship. That's very
Yes,
correct. That's very correct. And let's
that's
move to the next question, brother. Let's move to the specialist thing which you do. You are teaching people how to make videos through your amazing course, that's Video Making Mastery. Can you just brief us about what is this course all about? Our audience would love to know it. What
yeah.
is this course all about? And if you can give us an insight about it.
You are talking about course, or you're talking about the workshop we have? The workshop we have.
Your whole system. What are you
Yeah.
doing basically? How are you helping people?
So I think before me talking about the Video Making Mastery course, I think people have to know that why they should learn video making skill. Am I right? So
Absolutely,
first, I
absolutely.
will explain them why they should learn this skill, and then I
Yes.
will talk about that what I am doing to help them if they want to learn the video making skill. Okay. So
Right.
I will not talk about the statistics and data because of which you learn video making skill. It's already there on internet, but I want to talk something completely different, which will blow your mind and you will think, yes, now I should learn video making skill. Here we go. So do you agree, Rahul, that we are the smartest species on the planet right now? We are, right?
Absolutely. We have the smartest PC. Yes.
Yeah. So we are the smartest species and animal on the planet. Why? The reason is
Yes.
our ancestors, they use they used to they used all the resources they had in their time. Okay, they used all the resources they
Right.
had in their time and started evolving slowly, but they used all the resources they had that time, and that's how we evolved and we became the smartest species on the planet right now. But what are the resources right now? That is what we have to use to grow in our life. So now the current top resources are the videos and the internet. These are the top resources we
Absolutely.
have. Okay.
I
Internet,
agree. I agree.
yeah, internet is there. You don't need a skill to run internet, but you need a skill to speak in front of camera to create videos. So once you get this skill, you are, that means you are using the current resources to evolve the way our ancestors evolved, and we are here right now. Same, if you want to evolve ahead, then you have to use this video making skill to grow in your life. Okay.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's
Agree.
my opinion, and this is how I look towards the life. Yeah. And now
Agree.
to
So,
help,
yes.
yeah, to help you, what I have done is I was making videos, so people have started appreciating my energy, the how I speak and how I share the knowledge, and they started asking me the questions. Pushottam, how you are doing it? How you are so confident? Because you were not even able to speak English just last year, but right now, how you are giving knowledge right now? Even though still I do a lot of mistakes in English, I agree that, but still, how you have confidence? That was that kind of questions I used to get. And then I said, now I have to do something for all the people who are asking me on my videos. And that's how I come up with the Video Making Mastery program, where I'm helping people, the people who have never ever made a video in their life, and they have fear of speaking in front of camera, whatever they have. So I have a workshop of 3 hours. In that 3 hours, people get an amazing confidence and they make their life's first ever video. Okay. And then
Awesome.
I will take them forward. If they want to learn more, they want to grow with me, they want to connect with me, then we have a mentoring program as well. There I guide them for 30 days, step by step, to become master at it. Yes.
Okay.
That is what I
That's
do
great.
right now. Hmm.
Okay. So, would you like to reveal us that what are the stages in your program?
Okay. So first thing is, I recommend people to first get into the workshop where I explain everything, I guide you, and I will make you 100% confident to face the camera. Okay. And then after that, if you really want to learn more, and then we have a program of Video Making Mastery, which is a 30 days program with the 3 stages, 10, 10, 10 days. Okay. In the first 10 days, you will get super natural to speak in front of camera, because that kind of strategies I have given, and I have given all the strategies which I have experimented on myself, experimented on my younger brother, and experimented on the people from more than 10 countries. So based on that, I came up with that idea, and then that is the first 10 days. And in next 10 days, I talked about how you can structure your video properly. Once you got natural, now you need to shape yourself, give you a structure, how to start a video, how to hook people, and all the things. I have 5 factors in that structure plan, so that I teach people in my workshop as well. And after that, I teach people how to have your micro niche as well, in which area you should make videos, and how to research content in that area. I have given a lot of resources to research content and come up with all the ideas, how to structure that, how to show that content through mind maps, how to record a screen, and everything in 10 days, next 10 days, right? And in last 10 days, that is last 10 days, I have talked about video marketing skills. As I told you, that unless and until you don't have a plan of earning money, unless and until you don't learn to marketing, unless and until you don't learn to sell, how you will grow in your life. So that's what I talked in the last 10 days. I have given a knowledge about traffic, cold, warm, and hot traffic. So how can you create specific videos for different kind of audience? Don't worry if you're getting overwhelmed of this, you will learn there if you are passionate to monetize your knowledge, your skill, and your time. So that is what included in a three stages of Video Making Mastery. And there are a lot of gifts I give with that, where you will learn video editing as well. You will learn more about researching more content and all the things. Yes.
Right. So you have made a foolproof plan to make a person who has no confidence, to make him a hardcore businessman and an entrepreneur. Right. True. So you are taking a person just from the 0 level to the ladder up, and make him free and teach him how to earn money through online business network.
Yes,
that's awesome. That's awesome.
If you go and check my YouTube channel, there is one interview of my one of my recent interview of my student Pooja Jodhani. She had a fear of social media. First sentence in our conversation, she said, "Purushottam, I had a fear of social media." Right now, she have crossed 28 lakhs in 100 days.
Awesome.
So that kind of transformation, whole 360-degree transformation, and now she's helping hundreds and thousands of people online.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Yes.
Brilliant, man. So I just want to know, a person who is there are many people who really want to learn this digital I mean online businesses and digital businesses. They would really want to grow in this, because there is a huge potential in this.
Yes.
They in this corona time, they have identified it, and many people have now moved towards it. Now, what do you suggest for these people? What should they do if they really want to start with their career in online business?
Okay. So I have
something you would like to suggest.
Yeah, I have a secret for that. Okay. So guys, if you are notepad pen, you can note it down these 3 things. Okay. Number 1 is experiment. Number 2 is observe. Number 3 is optimize. So let me explain you.
Awesome.
Let's talk about
that's
experiment.
Amazing.
Yeah, let's talk about the experiment. First, in an experiment, what is called experiment? It's a kind of action you are taking on the idea you got. But what we do most of the time when we get idea, we think, and that become overthinking. And overthinking leads to no action. No action leads to laziness. Laziness leads to frustration. Then giving up.
Right.
Give up. That's what we do on our all ideas. But what I'm telling you is to do the experiment by taking actions. Now let me tell you why you don't take actions. You don't take action because you are always expecting results and success for all the actions you want to take in your life. That is a big
true. That's true. People fear to fail.
Yes, that is yes, that's the second point. Okay. So
Yeah.
you always expect success and results, and that is the biggest problem people have, because they are not expecting problems and the challenges, because problems and challenges are always there. Okay.
Right.
So second point, what Rahul said is that you want success and results, but you have fear of failure. So how you will take action, my friend? So first,
Absolutely.
you have to clear from your mind that whatever happens, I have to do the experiment. You have to take action. Why? The reason is, as you guys know, that what we say is, behind every successful man there is a woman. And I want to add something into that, where behind every successful person there are multiple unsuccessful years. I also want to
Right.
add, on top of that, I want to add something. Behind every successful person there are a lot of experiments which were failed. That means behind every successful experiment there are multiple unsuccessful experiments. But
Right.
if you
Right.
are not willing to take actions, you will never do experiment in your life, and you will never able to be successful in your lives. So first thing, you have to do the experiments, and you have to be ready to do multiple experiments if you fail in any experiments. Let's say now you did
Absolutely.
experiment. What you have to do? You have to observe. The second point I said. And if you observe that it is not working, it is not good, people are not accepting, do another experiment. Unless you observe that, wow, this experiment is doing good, people are enjoying, then you have to optimize that to next level. And that's what you should do anything in your life. If it is online, offline, whatever you are doing, experiment, then observe, then optimize. What if I tell you the real practical example, that video making mastery course which I launched, it was just one of the experiment from all the failed experiments. And now I
Absolutely.
observed it is doing good, and then I optimized, and right now I have around 3,000 paid students, and I call them a family.
That's brilliant.
So this is the
No, three. That
yeah,
will be a family, right? You 3,000 students is amazing figure, man.
yeah, man.
That's amazing.
Yes.
That's great. So
So
okay, so let's recall this very amazing thing which you told. You
hmm,
want people to experiment,
hmm?
observe, and optimize. Am I correct?
Yes, you're right.
Absolutely. Right. So that's a very amazing thing which you told. And even I'm also an affiliate marketer,
Hmm.
and many times I have failed. I have been in network marketing earlier. I got a very good success in that field, and then something shook there, and the network collapsed.
Hmm.
I grew it again, and I made a network of again 200 people, and then again it collapsed.
Oh.
It happened with me. I have failed many times. I think I am into business, and I am doing it since last 5 years. But
Hmm.
now I have gained so much of skill and knowledge that I have uh, immediately grew in this affiliate marketing business. So those failed years which you told, people have many failed years. People never see, whenever a successful person becomes successful, they never see their failed years. And
Yes.
I have those failed years, those marks with me, which have really helped me to grow now in affiliate marketing business. That's
Hmm.
amazing, brother. Thank you for recalling me. So
Yes.
that's amazing. So I think you have given us enough knowledge, and you have really helped by this interview. You really helped many people to understand why making videos is important, and what it can help, and how your program can help them to become a person, to become an entrepreneur with starting with zero, with level zero. That's
Yes.
amazing. Thank you very much for this knowledge. And one more thing, Purushottam, we would like, my audience would like to connect with you. If they
Hmm.
want to connect with you, where can they connect?
Yes.
Do you have any kind of website or
I'm
blog which you want
yeah,
to suggest?
sure, sure. I'm right now. I'm super active on Instagram as well. You can put that Instagram details,
Awesome.
and if they
Right.
want to attend our workshop, which we have, and people will get blown away that it's just for 99 rupees for 3 hours of. People
Amazing.
have recorded courses, but most of the time we pay money and we are not able to complete that course. Okay, because it's recorded. That's why I started. How can I help people live to learn everything and complete everything in one go and start implementing that? So it's just 99 rupees, and people found it a value of more than thousands of rupees. So you can attend that workshop, and Rahul will give you the
Awesome.
link. There will be a link in the description.
Sure, sure,
And
sure.
he will guide you through the process if you want to go ahead with that. And please connect on YouTube as well. What you can do is you can go on my YouTube if you want to know more about me, if you want to go through my story, exactly how I came here, what kind of challenges and problems I faced. Maybe they will inspire you to take more actions. And I have documented everything
Absolutely.
because I believed in myself, and I documented. The reason is I wanted people to believe in themselves. So thank you so much, guys, for listening to us. I hope this was a valuable investment of your time, and looking forward to see you in upcoming any videos or interviews. Thank you, Rahul Raina, once again.
Amazing. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you very much for coming over this interview. Thank you very much, brother. And I
Yes.
will share your YouTube links and Instagram links in my description. Thank you very much for
For sure.
having you here. Thank you very much, brother.
God bless
Hope to
you.
see you again.